Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube app not opening. To get started, what you need to do is firstly you need to open your YouTube and simply close it, and you need to reopen it again. This can often fix temporary glitches, or next you can restart your phone or Android. Once your phone turns back on, you need to try launching the YouTube again. And make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Go to your notifications bar and turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on again. Or you can also switch between your mobile data. And next is you need to check for the updates. You can go to your app store, and over here you need to find your YouTube and you need to install any available updates. You need to simply tap on update if you find one. And that is it. That is how you can fix the YouTube app not opening. In most cases, restarting your device, updating the app, or reopening it again will get YouTube working again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.